before?
No.
No, not here. Yeah, not here.
So on top here, I've got shredded nori, yuzu kosho paste, Keiji organic egg yolk, and all that's sitting on top of our yellowtail, or as they say in Japanese, hamachi. Spread this yuzu kosho paste on the fish. This gives a very nice zesty flavor to it. And then we're going to get a nice sear on each one. So this clay pot is about 450 degrees, so please be very careful. I say that for myself as well. And then here I've got some veggies. Got pickled carrots, sesame spinach, daikon radishes, and zenmai, which is a royal Japanese fern. Gonna take some of our ginger sesame soy sauce. This gives it a very nice flavor and aroma. And then we're gonna get everything nice and mixed together. So this dish originated in 1999. Chef Morimoto was going for his third win on Iron Chef against the Ohta Faction, and he drew inspiration from the Korean dish bibimbap, which is very similar, also made in a clay pot. The only difference is that bibimbap is a spicy dish made with beef, sometimes chicken or pork. So he decided to give this little Japanese twist to it, making it a more sweet and savory dish with the sweet soy sauce and the yellowtail. And that gave him his third consecutive win over the Ohta Faction. And this dish is part of the reason why we're all here today.
I remember that episode.
I was just thinking, do you remember that episode?
Yeah, I do remember that episode.
Season 2, episode 18, I believe. I watched it to train.
Oh, thank you.
I'm just going to try to build everything back together now that I got everything nice and mixed. Hopefully make it look almost as nice as it was when I brought it up. So on one side we've got sashimi grade still. Other side's got a nice gentle sear. That way you get to experience both textures of the fish.
Oh, yum.
Got the sides here. Top it off with a little more of our ginger sesame soy. There you are, y'all enjoy. Remember, this clay pot's gonna stay hot, so please, if you need to move it, just touch the bottom of the wood there.
Thank you.
Of course.
Oh my goodness.
Enjoy, you guys.
Thank you.
All right, that's like wizardry. Wizardry in a bowl. You can eat that, right?